Welcome to Hosting Your Academy. My name is Gintare and today I will be talking about online business ideas. If you haven't noticed already, online business is exploding right now. So I'm here to share the most profitable online business ideas for 2021. All 10 business ideas I will be talking about are backed up by everything we know about the world of e-commerce here at Hostinger. So let's get started and show you how exactly to get involved in this multi-billion-dollar industry. All it takes is a website. In today's tech-driven world, there's no reason you can't start a profitable business from the comfort of your living room. Of course, running an online business yourself does take some work, but compared to setting up a physical business, once you're set up online, you're going to be looking at a lot more freedom. Whether you're looking for something to generate a little passive income on the side or start a $1 million company, no matter your skill set, you can find your ideal earner and get up and running today. Number 1. Start a blog and monetize it. It only takes minutes to start a blog and it can be a big source of income if you monetize it. But if you want it to be profitable, you need to give readers a reason to keep coming back. That means creating regular, high-quality content, and the only way to stay focused is to have a niche. There are literally millions of blogs on the internet. And if you want to grow your reader base, you need to narrow down your target audience. Once you've got a target audience, you've also got a potential customer base that you can sell products to because you know their interests. This can be ad space, real products, digital products, sponsored posts, coaching, ebooks, and more. The trick is to offer something that adds value to your readers. If you're willing to put in the work for the long haul, blogging can be extremely profitable. Some bloggers make $50,000 per month or more. And better yet, you can get started completely for free with platforms like Zyro, WordPress, Blogger, and Tumblr. Number 2. Sell your art online. Whether you're a painter, photographer, or musician, there are plenty of ways to start an online business and turn your latest masterpiece into a source of revenue. Graphic designers are basically visual communicators. They design web pages, sales pages, logos, and really anything else that needs to look sharp. You can start with as little as a website and some design software, and you're good to go. To be successful, you'll need a portfolio of work where potential customers can see what you're offering. The key things to think about when selling art online are visibility and revenue share, whether that means selling your work on social media or on marketplaces like Design Hill or Envato. You need to find the best balance of both to get started online, and it's a great idea to join communities on Facebook to find potential clients and collaborators. Number 3. Create an online course. Online courses are a low-investment business idea that are exploding in the digital learning and work-from-home boom. More and more companies are offering online training to their employees, and if you can set yourself up as a specialist, you've got a huge potential market. Alongside expert knowledge, you'll need to think about the kind of media that you want to produce. Whether that's videos, podcasts, or one-on-one tutorials, you're going to need a website to market yourself. The fastest way to do that is with Zyro. It takes less than an hour to publish your website and start getting found online, and you can get started completely free with my offer code in the video description. Although it requires effort upfront, if you manage to design a popular, high-value video tutorial series, you can make real money here by creating an online presence, getting your name out there before moving on to platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable. Number 4. Launch a podcast. People love podcasts. They can be consumed on the go, and they are a solution for making media in our fast-paced commuter lifestyle. Just like a blog, your podcast needs a niche and a structure, and if you have those things, you can start this online business idea on a shoestring budget. Free audio editing software like Audacity is perfect for getting started, and as you grow your listener base, you can offer paid sponsorships or start selling your own products. Listener trust is everything in podcasting, so focus on your content if you want to turn it into a profitable online business. Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Acast, Podbean, Simplecast, and Captivate are the most popular podcasting platforms and the best places to get set up. Number 5. Start a YouTube channel. Popular YouTubers make massive amounts of money in ad revenue from viral videos. And if you want to get involved, then all you need is a camera and an idea. But the real key to success on YouTube is to find your niche. Building a subscriber base requires consistent, regular, and above all, innovative content. On this channel, I make tutorials to help people find success online. But whatever you want to do, there is an opportunity to monetize it with YouTube. It's also a great tool for driving traffic to your website or building interest in your business. So don't discard YouTube just because you don't think that you want to be a vlogger. Number 6. Start dropshipping. If you're worried that e-commerce means spending huge amounts of money on stock and warehousing, just wait until you hear about dropshipping. The big thing about dropshipping is that it eliminates the risk of finding out there's no market for your product after placing a huge order with a manufacturer or supplier. It can be a great business plan since it lets you bypass a lot of obstacles and expensive overheads that stop so many people from starting their own business. You don't have to invest upfront in purchasing and storing large quantities of stock as typical retail business would, but you do, however, need to make sure that your suppliers have a fast delivery time, are reliable, and can provide excellent customer service. If you have that in the bag, it's time to start marketing your product idea to build interest, and you can make use of giant internet marketplaces like AliExpress and Douba. Number 7. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a lucrative business, with industry spending expected to hit $8.2 billion by 2022. But first things first, what is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is basically the process of earning commission by promoting a product. To do it, you're going to need, you guessed it, an engaged audience. Once you have that, you can find an affiliate program that suits your interests and personal brand and sign up to an affiliate program like the ones available from Affiliate Future, Share a Sale, and Flex Others, Amazon, or Shopify. Once you've signed up, it's time to start sharing content. Create social media posts, blogs, emails, and any other content you can about the products or services you're promoting. If you want to start affiliate marketing, you're going to want to create your own website and start working on your SEO. Number 8. Develop an app. Do you have an idea for an app that will solve a real-world problem? If yes, you could be a part of an industry worth over $1 billion a year. To make big money on an app, you need to attract serious download volume. And right now, the trend is towards e-learning, business automation, and healthcare. Your chances of creating the next Flappy Bird are slim in such saturated market, so it makes sense to look at what businesses need right now and how those things could be automated with an app. If you have that idea ready to go, then you could be looking at making a lot of money. Number 9. Publish an ebook. Ebooks have the potential to be discovered by a broad audience since there are no physical limitations. In other words, you don't have to rely on people visiting a bookshop to read your stuff. There are platforms that allow you to self-publish free of charge. Just be vigilant if you have to stick to a budget. Some platforms do charge royalty fees for their service. Why publish a book? What's the point of writing something if there's no one around to read it? Self-publishing is the quickest way to get your book into the hands of potential readers. Printing, storage, and delivery is taken care of thanks to services like Blurb and CreateSpace. Creative writing is your passion and you deserve to be able to make money while doing something you enjoy. Number 10. Create handmade items and sell them. Whether you make jewelry, picture frames, or furniture, one business idea is to monetize your craft skills and sell products online. While you can use platforms like Craigslist or Etsy, your own online store will give you more control and make it easier to track and fulfill orders. The process to get started selling handmade products is the same as any other product. But in this case, you simply have to put in the time to create the product beforehand or when the customers order them. This kind of small business relies on you being able to message the extra quality and ethical value of people buying handmade over factory made. Alright, that's it for today. If you liked any idea from this list, the best way to get started is to build a website with Zyro and start growing your audience. I want to know if any of you have ever tried any of these online business ideas before. If you have, let me know in the comments below and share your success. As always, don't forget to subscribe to Hosting Your Academy channel. Now go chase your dreams and see you in the next video.